Then we got sec square 0 plus 2 के power sec square 0 plus 3 के power sec square 0 and so on n के power sec square 0 to whole power cos square 0. Okay, now I know that cos square x is equal to 1, cos square 0, cos 0 also 0, sec 0 also 0. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 so on n to whole power 1. Okay, 1 1 1 1. Okay, clear or not? This is AP series. So what about formula? N by 2 into a plus n, a plus last term 1 plus n. So final answer is n by 2 into n plus 1 is the right answer. If any doubt, then comment it. I will discuss again. Now our motto, determine that value. How can you determine? If x is equal to 0, put here. If x is equal to 0, then we got like that one. Okay, cos square 0, sec 0 also 1, cos 0 also 1. So put this value like that one. This is the AP series. What about formula? N by 2 into a plus last term. First term is 1, last term is n. So 1 plus n divided by 2 into n. So final answer is like that one.